day 1 of photo shoots, day 1 of 4. The craziness is about to begin.
Yes.
It's party time at the trailer park. My dad is getting his daughter drunk. Shooting tobacco and we're shooting that junk. All the rednecks stop feeling fine cause they're all jacked up on the fancy box wine. Let's do the box wine boogie.
Box wine boogie.
Let's the box wine boogie.
Box wine boogie.
Wear your white beater and get real tight to the box wine boogie tonight. Junior never showers.
It's time for my book release party. I'm so excited.
Easy as a shoulder and toothless grin. She's dropping the skirt and getting ready to sing. All the rednecks are feeling fine. They're all jacked up on the fancy box wine. Let's do the box wine boogie.
Box wine boogie.
Yeah, the box wine boogie.
Box wine boogie.
Wear your white beater and get real tight to the box wine boogie tonight. Showers and it's kinda right. He's taking killer rips off the old crack pipe. Daisy is the show and a toothless grin. She's dropping the skirt, getting ready to sing. All the rednecks stop feeling fine. They're all jacked up on the fancy box wine. To the box wine boogie.
Box wine boogie.
Yeah, the box wine boogie.
Box wine boogie.
Wear your white beater and get real tight to the box wine boogie tonight. Yeah, baby. Dad is getting his daughter drunk. Chewing tobacco and shooting that junk. All the rednecks are feeling fine cause they're all jacked up on the fancy box wine. To the box wine boogie.
Box wine boogie.
To the box wine boogie.
Box wine boogie.
Wear your white beater and get real.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Be sure to check out these other videos that I have posted to see more of my wackiness. And if you want to see even more of my wackiness, be sure to subscribe for all things that are vintage and retro and general silliness.